YouTube. Welcome. I'm gonna tell you, we are in South Dakota. We're in South Dakota. We picked up a load out of Wisconsin, heading to, don't mind my beard, I'm looking rough, but heading to Bloomington, California, going back to Amazon. When I say it is windy as hell, it is windy as hell. We got gusts up to 70 miles per hour. I had to pull over for a couple of hours to stop and make sure I don't talk this bitch over. Excuse my language. So, it's crazy. The curtain side is enduring a lot of stress. I got this little tear. Look like it want to tear. Hold on for a minute. Now, just checking, making sure everything is still good. So it's rough. But that bad boy just rocking. Definitely don't want to be above this too much. Okay? It's rocking. Let me tell you, YouTube, this is probably the worst wind speed I have ever driven through. I mean, I think I've been driving since 1 in the morning, and it is about 7, 8 in the morning, mountain time. I think it's 7 in the morning mountain time. Let me tell you, it's rough. But it's beautiful, as you can see in the background. It is beautiful out here. I love driving out west. I love it. But I'm about to get back to driving. So guys, stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Wait, man, I'll tell you. This is some rough stuff. Definitely got to kind of keep your eyes on the direction of where your trailer's going, or as far as leaning. It can be really, really rough. If you don't pay attention to your speed and how your trailer's leaning, I'm gonna tell you, going over. It's not that bad, but it's definitely challenging. But definitely do not underestimate this type of weather. Just because you're a big vehicle and you're heavy, doesn't mean that wind cannot pull you over. Do not estimate it, guys. I kid you not. Especially the guys that's coming out on this, coming into this industry. Do not test your luck. If it doesn't feel right, pull over. Pull it over. Oh yeah, this is tough. Like I said, I pulled over for about a couple of hours. I took a 30-minute break. By the time I went to sleep, I got back up, it was about daytime, so. When I was parked, the truck was rocking. I can literally feel the bed just, the gravity just shifting inside the truck. That's how strong the wind was. But it's beautiful. Alright, YouTube. As you can see, I'm coming up. I'm going to show you how dangerous it is when you're driving in these high winds and not paying attention. So on my left right here, the same directional, we have an overturned truck. I passed this guy passed me up earlier. He's hauling ass right past me. And now he's down. This is what we have. This is what happens when you're not paying attention of the road. That wind will win. YouTube, I'm here. Amazon got through the crazy wind. It was rough, very rough, as you can see in my videos. But waiting on another load, so I will get with you guys with another video. So just stay tuned, and hey, like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Peace.